back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. So, this one is if you don't mind customer service, they are paying fairly well. It seems like they're hiring multiple people. They are trying to have people start in May. So we are going to dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below. And for my international viewers, I am working on some things where you can make money worldwide. I am trying to do a few special videos for tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow because I do have a few special things coming for you. But today's job lead is from Liberty Mutual Insurance. They are hiring a claims customer care associate. Now, this is remote work from home for my United States folks only. They are hiring in all states except for Georgia, Illinois, Alaska, Hawaii, Nevada, New York, and California. But if you are in any other state, they are hiring. They're looking for people to work the customer service in the afternoon and evening shifts. It says the work schedule will be an 8-hour shift with various start times between 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time or later. They do ask that you have flexibility with that schedule. But if you are looking for something where you can start at 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it might be worth talking to them to see if they can work that in, since they do have various shifts they say that start later. But they are basically looking for someone to convey a calm, caring attitude and provide world-class service to their customers while processing new claims and first notice of loss forms. The initial report which is made following a loss, theft, or damage. So these are people that are going to be reporting a claim against their insurance policy. You'll work with internal and external partners, and you'll support the policyholders while their claims are being processed. So you're going to keep the insurance policyholder up to date on the process of the claim until it is resolved. So you'll be problem solving day to day, utilizing out of the box creative thinking to solve a wide variety of claim challenges and customer issues. Now, as far as the qualifications go, a high school diploma or GED is required. Of course, bachelor's degree are always preferred, but not required. A history in working in financial services, hospitality, or retail, or previous call center experience is a plus, but is also not required. They are going to train you. They do want someone who has great interpersonal skills, great communication skills. Of course, you have to be able to multitask and manage your time wisely, and be proficient at using computers, including Microsoft Office, and have the confidentiality to keep the customer's information private. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $38,000 a year all the way up to $41,500 a year. And they also offer standard benefit package that includes health, paid time off, 401k, all of those standards. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for some special videos that I'm trying to work on, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.